Hello, little stars! Today we will learn words and their opposites. Let's start.
Big, small. Big lion, small mouse. This is big, big, big. This is small, small, small. Big lion. Small mouse. Fast, slow. This car is fast. This turtle is slow. This is fast, fast, fast. This is slow, slow, slow. Fast car. Slow turtle. Hot, cold. Hot tea. Cold ice cream. This is hot, hot, hot. This is cold, cold, cold. Hot tea. Cold ice cream. Up, down. Up, down. The ball goes up. The ball goes down. Up ball. Down ball. Open. Close. This door is open. This door is closed. This is open, open, open. This is close, close, close. Open door. Close door. Clean, dirty. The hands are clean. These hands are dirty. This is clean, clean, clean. This is dirty, dirty, dirty. Clean hands. Dirty hands. Tall, short. Tall giraffe. Short dog. This is tall, tall, tall. This is short, short, short. Tall giraffe. Short dog.